Hello children. Last class I had explained the A Trip to Bhopal part 3. In that we had stopped, the children were discussing about Narmada river, the length of Narmada river, and teacher was explaining how to measure that, and they were enjoying the trip and looking outside. Now, all of a sudden, today we will continue the chapter. All of a sudden, the bus stops with a jerk. Earlier, the children were asking whether we will continue the trip without stopping or not. So now, suddenly, the bus stopped with a jerk. So all will be surprised why the bus stopped. Oh, the petrol pump. Two buses needed to be refilled. So children came to know that it is near a petrol pump. The buses are stopped. So they came to know that the driver is going to fill the petrol in the buses. The buses stand in a line. Children are sticking their necks out to see how diesel is filled in the bus. It is a heavy vehicle, so instead of petrol, it is diesel is filling. It is also a fuel. So all children were looking outside through the windows. Some children have got down to look more closely, some of them looking through the windows, and some children curiously they came down and tried to go near the uh, where they are filling the diesel. Each bus takes 15 minutes to refill, and there are two buses to be refilled. So out of 6 buses, 2 buses to be filled with diesel. So one bus, it takes 15 minutes to fill. So they stop there for about how many minutes? 15 minutes for one bus, 2 buses to be filled by this diesel. So they took how much time for that? 15 plus 15 or 15 multiplied by 2 equal to 30 minutes, which means they are late by about dash minutes. They started their journey at 9 o'clock, and the teacher told without stopping, if they will travel, then within 2 hours they will reach the particular place. So, but in between that, because of this uh, diesel, they have to fill in 2 buses. They stop in one petrol pump, and one bus it takes 15 minutes to fill the petrol. So 2 buses to be filled with this diesel. So they took 30 minutes. So actually, how many minutes late their journey? They were about 30 minutes. They were late. So students, you can see the exercise related to this. Here, each bus takes 15 minutes to refill, and there are 2 buses to be refilled. So they stop here for about dash minutes. I had told how to do it. It is one bus 15 minutes. So 2 buses 15 multiplied by 2, 30 minutes. So they 2 buses took 30 minutes to refill. They are late by 30 minutes. Each bus takes 15 minutes to refill, and therefore 2 buses to be refilled. So they stop for 30 minutes, which means they are late by 30 minutes. You can see on the screen there is the rate of diesel it is given, and how many liters of diesel they were filled in 2 buses, and what will be the total amount paid. You can see on the screen. So related to that, some question also there. Hey, it has such a big tummy. It has already taken 100 liters. So children were surprising. More and more diesel is filled in the bus. So they told that 100 liters already marked in that screen. So, so we have to pay 3,500 rupees for the diesel. So 3,500 or 3,500 rupees to be paid. It is also written below. So now related to this, one question is there. Look at in the picture and find the price of 1 liter of petrol, 1 liter of diesel. So 100 liters, 3,500 rupees. So 1 liter equal to more given to find out less, always division. Quantity of diesel filled is 100 liter. Total cost of 100 liter of diesel is 3,500 rupees. Therefore, cost of 1 liter of diesel is 3,500 divided by 100 equal to 35. So, 1 liter of diesel cost 35 rupees. Children, whatever solution related to the chapter which we are explaining in this video and given on the screen, please note down in your notebook same day. Now, when they were filling the diesel in the buses, some of the students need to go for uh, washroom. So some of them go down, they started moving here there. So one boy called Aman. Aman has taken much time to empty himself as one bus is taken to refill. So as the buses were refilled, some children go to the toilet near the petrol pump. So out of that one boy, Aman, he had taken more time. So how much time he has taken to go to the washroom or the toilet? What was the clue given? He has taken as much time to empty himself as one bus is taking to refill. One bus refilling time was 15 minutes. So automatically Aman took as much time as the bus took to refill. So he was also taken 15 minutes to come out of the toilet. So you can see the answer is also given. So please children, copy in your notebook. Maths notebook is there, so every day's calculation also given along with the chapter. So please do in your notebook that particular sums which we are solving it. Okay, we will meet again with the next class, with the next video. Till then, take care.